In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a professional report, a school project, or simply organizing your notes, adding a header is a great way to give your document a polished look. It might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in the overall presentation of your document. Now, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Google Docs and hit Enter. This should bring up the Google Docs website as the top result. Once you see it, go ahead and click the link to open Google Docs. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll need to log in. Enter your credentials if you aren't signed in already. Otherwise, you will be directed straight to your list of documents. Now you have two options. Either open an existing Google Docs document from your drive or create a new one. If you're creating a new document, just click the blank page option and a new document will appear. With your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see various options, but what you want to look for is the Insert tab. Click on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains many options for what you can add to your document, from images to tables and, of course, headers. Now, in this drop-down menu, you'll want to move your mouse over to where it says Page Elements. A secondary menu will pop up as you hover over it. In this second menu, you'll find the option to add headers. Hover your cursor over headers, and you'll see the header area automatically appear at the top margin of your document. This is where your cursor is now focused, so you can start typing the text you want as your header right away. Whether it's your document title, a chapter name, or a date, simply type it in. You have the flexibility to style your header just like the body of your text, using bold or italic styles if needed. Once you're satisfied with your header text, there are a couple of ways to exit the header edit mode. You can either press the ES key on your keyboard, which will quickly shift your cursor back to the main document body, or simply click anywhere outside the header area in the document. Both actions return you to the regular editing view so you can continue working on your document. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to adding a header in Google Docs. It's a quick and effective way to enhance the structure of your document, giving it a more professional feel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to try it out yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.